Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to get seasonings to stick to make your own microwave popcorn. I love making microwave popcorn, but one of the most frustrating parts about it is when the seasonings don't stick. So here's a quick little method for doing it at home. To make microwave popcorn at home, you get started with a little paper bag. Then I'm going to get some melted butter and brush one side of the paper bag. Just a little bit. Okay. Just want a nice little thin coat of butter. And then once one side is coated in butter, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of popcorn kernels. Then I'm going to add my seasoning right into the bag. Here I have a couple teaspoons of ranch seasoning. And then I'm just going to seal up the bag. Fold the top over a few times. And then shake it together. I'm going to shake it really good so the seasoning has a chance to get over all the popcorn kernels. Now I'm just going to put it in the microwave with the buttered side of the bag up for about 2 to 3 minutes until I stop hearing the popcorn popping. When you stop hearing the kernels pop, it is ready to serve. So be careful when pulling your microwave popcorn out of the bag. It's going to be steamy and a little hot. Now I'm just going to tear it open. And look, my seasonings have stuck to my microwave popcorn. This is Mariko showing you how to get seasonings to stick to your own homemade microwave popcorn. Enjoy.